Okay, so this video is about what to do during week two, and one thing I want to make sure I point out to you is that here is that this to do while this to do list is very handy about what to do. The best thing for you to do each week is, and what's one of the things on your to do list, um, is to read this week two overview. It spells out what we're going to do each week, where things are. Sometimes a quiz will be here in Canvas. Certainly to start the course, it'll be out at MyOpenMath. There's a quiz out in MyOpenMath, and you'll see there. I'll go out there in a minute. Maybe I'll wait and talk about that then. There's three required sections that you have to do. Section 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 are all about linear functions, y equals mx plus b's. I'm going to expect you to be able to deal with that. One of the quizzes, one on the exam, first exam, I'm going to ask you to write the equation of a line in point slope form, and expect you to be able to do that. You should have that down from earlier courses, but if it's been a while or you didn't ever quite get that, make sure you take a look, check those out. If you do them and get the points, I'll try all the questions and get a 70. I'll write in the grade in Canvas. Otherwise, I'll just exempt you. You do have to do these two sections. And then the discussion forum posts are a little bit different this week, because what happens, you have to have the first post done by midnight instead of having them both due on Monday night, like I did week one. Week two, I want you to get started before Monday on doing this work. So this is my way of requiring that you start it. Some people wait to the end and they get swamped with the work. It's a lot of work to do. Okay, and so let's go back to the modules. And yeah, so there's the new discussion forum posts. The only other thing I have that's different is this water cooler. I've made 4 posts there about how things work. You don't have to respond it. Please go read them though. It's quick, they're short. Okay, so I think this is good. Let's go to, okay, just a minute. Let me pause this. Actually, maybe I'll just keep it running. I tried pausing it a minute ago and it just kept running. So I'm going to stop the share. What the heck? Stop the share. There we go. Here, I got to come back to this browser window. Come back. Now I'll share this again. Share. Okay, so now I'm out at MyOpenMath, and here's week two. So there's that quiz. Then you get these 4 homeworks to do. You only have to do the section 2.1. One thing that I didn't talk about a minute ago here, since I can just jump back and forth, is this in the overview. Doing these odd numbered exercises out of the textbook are going to make your work go faster when you go to do the MyOpenMath. You won't have to watch a video with each question. I recommend you do it. There aren't that many questions. You don't have to turn them in. You don't even have to do them all. But I think flipping through the book and trying these odd exercises will save you time. You can get the answers, and you probably have already found that when you got the PDF of the book. If you just Google Lippmann open pre-calculus, you can see I've done this a lot of times. Here are the answers, the detailed solutions for the whole, though that's all the odd numbered exercises. They have the detailed solutions. It's not fully edited. Sometimes the questions are wrong. They got errata here you can look at. It's not perfect, but it's free. So that's one reason why I like this. And you can, so, okay. So that is about all I probably want to say. If you want to, and since I'm here, I'm gonna put a plug in for it. If you want some live help with me, I'd love to do it. I'd love to meet with you. Just click on that link and let's see how fast my slow home internet is this morning. Yep. So like I had some available today, but you got to plan 12 hours ahead. And then let's go to June. So here, what you do, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I have those 3 time slots you can access me. If none of these work, and or you want to, I'm at school early, so if you want to access me early morning, that's available too. I mean, I'm tied up. It's from 7 o'clock on, but before 7, I'm all set. And then of course on Saturdays I usually have quite a bit of time on Saturdays that I have open, at least in the morning. And again, if my times don't work, start a conversation with me. We can probably make it happen. And this during the this my Oxbow time ends on June 18th, and I'll be available after that. I mean, I've got some things going on where I'm taking myself offline, but um, after that, my time is a little more open, at least through the end of this course for you. Okay, so there, yeah. So I guess that's it. It's probably a long enough video. Let me know what you need. Ask for help. I want you to get some help if you need it. If my times don't work for you, and you still like you want to jump on and get help, this tutoring.com has online tutoring. I wouldn't ask questions here. I mean, do live help, sure. But yeah, I think they'll give you 10 hours, and if you use all that up, they get you more. You can get you some more. You can just got to ask for it. And CCV has a way of asking for it. I don't know what it is, honestly. Okay, so long enough video. Let me know what you need.